Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mechanical keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HEXGEARS I4 Keyboard. The HEXGEARS i4 is a premium 99-key mechanical keyboard that delivers a perfect blend of style, performance, and versatility for gamers and professionals alike. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and a soft gasket-mounted structure, it offers a smooth, cushioned typing experience with reduced vibration and excellent sound dampening. The keyboard features hot swappable sockets compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, allowing users to easily customize their typing feel without soldering. Outfitted with durable double-shot PBT keycaps, it ensures long-lasting resistance to shine and fading. The i4 supports full RGB backlighting with per-key customization and dynamic effects, all controllable through HEXGEARS' intuitive software. With tri-mode connectivity, wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth, it provides seamless switching between multiple devices. Offering N-key rollover, anti-ghosting, and a 1000 Hz polling rate for ultra-responsive performance, the HEXGEARS i4 stands out as a top-tier compact mechanical keyboard built for precision, comfort, and customization. Number 2. HEXGEARS GK15 Keyboard. The HEXGEARS GK15 is a full-size 104-key mechanical gaming keyboard engineered for precision, comfort, and customization. It features durable Kale box switches that deliver fast, tactile, and consistent feedback, ideal for both gaming and typing. With a hot swappable design, users can easily replace switches without soldering, allowing complete personalization of the typing experience. The keyboard's vibrant RGB backlighting offers multiple dynamic effects and adjustable brightness levels, enhancing visibility and aesthetics during late-night gaming sessions. Made with high-quality ABS keycaps, it ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. The GK15 connects via a reliable wired USB interface and provides full N-key rollover and anti-ghosting for flawless key recognition during intense gameplay. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices, the HEXGEARS GK15 is a versatile and stylish mechanical keyboard that combines performance, functionality, and visual flair for gamers and professionals alike. Number 3. MONSGEEK Fun 60 Pro. The MONSGEEK Fun 60 Pro and Max is a high-performance 60% mechanical gaming keyboard that features advanced magnetic Hall effect switches with rapid trigger technology for lightning-fast response and precision control. Each key's actuation point can be adjusted between 0.1 mm and 3.4 mm in 0.01 mm increments, allowing players to fine-tune sensitivity for optimal gaming performance. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, including wired USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, ensuring seamless compatibility across multiple devices. The Max version further enhances responsiveness with an ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling rate, minimizing input lag for competitive play. With customizable per-key ARGB lighting, onboard memory for macros and profiles, and N-key rollover for flawless key registration, the Fun 60 Pro and Max offers both beauty and performance in a compact form factor. Built with premium materials and designed for enthusiasts, this keyboard combines cutting-edge technology, precision engineering, and elegant aesthetics, making it a top choice for gamers seeking speed, accuracy, and full customization. Number 4. HEXGEARS Mechanical Keyboard. The HEXGEARS i2 is an 83-key compact mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals who value precision, comfort, and customizability. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure, it provides a soft, cushioned typing experience with excellent sound dampening and vibration reduction. The keyboard is equipped with hot swappable sockets compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing users to easily change Kale mechanical switches without soldering for a personalized typing feel. Its durable double-shot PBT keycaps resist fading and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance and a premium texture. The HEXGEARS i2 also includes vibrant per-key RGB backlighting with customizable effects, a sturdy aluminum and polycarbonate frame, and full N-key rollover with anti-ghosting for accurate input during intense gaming or fast typing. Connected via USB-C with a 1000 Hz polling rate, it offers ultra-low latency and reliable responsiveness. Compact yet powerful, the HEXGEARS i2 delivers a professional-grade mechanical keyboard experience in a sleek and space-saving design. Number 5. MONSGEEK ACE68 Magnetic Keyboard. The MONSGEEK ACE68 is a high-performance 60% magnetic switch gaming keyboard designed for competitive gamers who demand precision and speed. Featuring advanced Hall effect switches with rapid trigger technology, it allows for adjustable actuation points from as low as 0.1 mm up to 3.4 mm, giving players full control over key sensitivity. With an ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling rate and a response time of just 0.1 milliseconds, it delivers exceptional accuracy and near-instant input recognition. The keyboard supports full programmability, including functions like DKS, dynamic keystroke, MT, multi-trigger, TGL, toggle, RS, rapid switch, and SOCD cleaning for optimized performance in competitive gaming scenarios. Built with a solid aluminum alloy frame and integrated sound dampening silicone layers, it offers both durability and a refined typing experience. Hot swappable magnetic switches allow effortless customization, while vibrant RGB lighting with per-key effects adds visual flair. Combining cutting-edge magnetic technology, customizable responsiveness, and sleek design, the MONSGEEK ACE68 is an elite-grade keyboard crafted for gamers who prioritize speed, precision, and control.